एम्पावर्ड वुमेन एम्पावर्स द वर्ल्ड और एक ऐसी ही सुपर वुमेन हमारे साथ हैं इस वक्त प्रियंका चौधरी रैना हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ माते. सो प्रियंका, वेलकम टू हर जिंदगी.
Thank you so much for having me.
देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स जिनका हमारा दिल से लगाव होता है, बट अगर आपका बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट मैं पूछूं जो आपके दिल के बहुत करीब है, सो व्हाट वुड दैट बी?
If I talk about my top sellers, so Mate Baby Face Butter एक top seller है. It is something so natural, so it's all natural, vegan, Ayurveda inspired, and the ingredients are just so nourishing to protect the baby's facial skin.
And it's special as well for you and for the person who are using it as well.
Absolutely. I mean the baby cheeks उससे ज़्यादा cuddly और cute तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. And when you're using something for your baby's cheeks, that product becomes very special indeed.
And we know that you have an incredible entrepreneurial journey, but if I may ask, what would be the best and the proudest moment so far?
Honestly speaking, for me, every small win is very important. और मेरे लिए biggest win is when I get a positive feedback from the parents. I think most importantly, what's been really amazing for Mate कि हम लोग का retention is very good. So once parents use Mate, they keep coming back. So switching बहुत कम है. It's also a kind of acknowledgement that parents are loving the products.
ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी है जो हर एक वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर में होनी ही चाहिए?
I think women in itself, we are very, very skilled in many aspects, in the sense like we know how to manage our houses, so why can't we manage our businesses, right? And we're so good with multitasking. It's not that I support that, but I think also in the sense of managing people, so I think everything is just so natural when it comes to women entrepreneurs, so that adds up on top of our technical skills or business skills.
But as a mompreneur, there comes so many things. There comes superpower, but there comes the guilt. What would be the perfect hack as a mompreneur?
There's no hack. और balancing करना is also a very big task. I think वो कभी balance हो भी नहीं पाता है. What really matters is your household situation. So अगर आपका family is super supportive, your partner is supportive, I think वो journey थोड़ा और easy हो जाता है. Otherwise, we have to be up for it. There's always going to be a bit of tits and bits like कि हम everywhere we cannot be available, but you just have to set your priorities right. You have to be super organized and you have to really stay positive, because a lot of times I think that really brings you down. The mom guilt is real, but we have to keep on moving.
Suresh is the super supportive partner, we all know, but what is his the best parenting skill that you would share with us?
I think it's just super fun. Even when children are very cranky, he knows like how to turn it around. और उनका mood एकदम refresh हो जाता है when they see their father. Apart from that, I think he very well knows how to get kids engaged. He's a sports person, and when kids love to play outdoors, and it just goes hands in hands, and he's the perfect father and a perfect partner.
And I guess it's a skill to be kids' favorite. It's one of the top tier skills. But thank you so much, Priyanka, for talking to us.
Thank you, Nikita. Lovely speaking with you.